Hi, my name is Christopher Mendoza and welcome into the STM Canna Revolution Grinder series. We're going to be speaking a little bit about the unboxing of the Revolution Grinder today and a couple things that come with it. Originally, what you're going to see inside your box here, a cable that came with the Revolution Grinder, and this is going to be used for updates and updating the machine. And this is going to be located right here at the bottom, and we're going to plug that in our cord and as well to the computer to get our updates for the machine when they come out. Of course, you're going to have two screens that come with the machine. One's going to come inside of it, the other's going to come with the outside of the machine. This is the 5/32 screen, which is also known as the extraction screen here, and can be placed into the machine as well when need be. From here, we're going to show you a little bit about the top of the hopper here, which is the lid, which can be opened as simply as this and your material poured in the top. Further down, we also have our emergency stop switch, which is easily activated by pressing in and as well deactivated by pulling out, making sure that we always see the colors yellow on yellow to make sure that it's not depressed too far. Of course, over here we have our touch screen, and this is going to show us a little bit of how we can run the machine. And then further down, we're going to move on down here to the chute and the slide, which kind of covers up the chute over here, and it's going to be shown with 4 pinholes right there, and we can unloosen those and kind of slide that up and see the inside. Of course, always making sure too we have a 220 volt plug-in for the machine at all times in order for us to make sure it's operating. And then we also have down here too the lockout tag switch, which turning it up is going to turn it on and twisting it to the side is going to turn it off. If we do need to lock this machine out to ensure nobody is turning it on prior to the need of the operation, we can use a lock on the inside here and place it here in order for it to not be able to be switched on or off, ensuring the maximum amount of safety we can possibly give. This is our second e-stop switch here, which can be easily activated by pressing down upon it and as well deactivated by twisting it to the right, following the arrow keys, of course. Further down here, you're going to see the chute in which your product is going to dispense out of. Thank you guys very much for tuning in with us on the unboxing of the Revolution Grinder. And if you ever have any questions at all, please contact our client services department and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for tuning in and take care.